Good morning. Today is November 19th, and I don't know if you can tell, I kind of just woke up. If you saw in the last clip, I made up my bed this morning. I am running kind of late because I was supposed to get up at 7:30, but I worked last night, didn't get off until midnight. So I'm a little tired, and I have to be somewhere by 9:30. I'm going to the shooting range today, my first time at a shooting range. So that should be fun. Kind of nervous because I'm scared to shoot, but we gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna try and record if I can. If not, I'll let you know how it was. But let me go ahead and get ready, and I'll check back in with you guys later. So I got dressed for the day. I am wearing this vest that I got from Macy's, another little basic little olive kind of shirt that I got from Walmart. I got these jeans as well from Walmart. I like them because they're like a looser fit, and I didn't want nothing tight today. And they have the distressing at the below the knees, and the hems is cuffed. And then I'm also wearing my Air Maxes. I really like the colorway on these, this olive and this orange. And for my bag, I'm just carrying my Michael Kors fanny pack bag. And I also decided to put on a scent. I'm wearing Black Opium by YSL. So you need this. Like, this right here smells so good. But let me get ready to go.
The cylinder opens. That's where I load my bullets up. Then the ejector rod, I push that down, and it ejects the expended cartridge. I just rack the slide the first time and chamber around, and then after that, it's semi-automatic. You don't need to do it again. And I went over the single action and double action.
Let me show you cause I told you I just came back from the shooting range class. So let me show you my target. This is my first time shooting since 2016 when I was in basic training, and then that time I was shooting an M16. So I have not shot since then. So I think this is good for my first time, kind of. I'll let y'all be the judge of that. But can you see? Kind of see, you know. I did a little something, little something. I want to keep going and keep practicing. Like I said before, when I go, I ain't gonna have these long nails because it was very difficult to put my finger on the trigger because of the spacing. So when I go again, I'm gonna have shorter nails and choose a different gun. I forget which one I had, but I did not like it. It was too heavy. I think I want to do something a little smaller because it was kind of big. I didn't really like it. People who know about guns will probably say that wasn't big, but for somebody who hasn't really shot anything, to me, I didn't like it. But now I am walking to my mailbox because I got a package and I want to pick it up.
We just got a letter. 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 Wonder who it's from.
6.5 hours later.
So I look kind of crazy right now because I threw a wig on top of my hair. I wrapped it because I was going to take a nap, but I was like, let me go get some groceries because I don't got no groceries. So I'm about to go to Lidl. Is it Lidl or Lidl? Lidl. I think it's Lidl. But I'm about to go to Lidl and do a little grocery shopping for tomorrow and for the week. But I'm not gonna pick up too much because Thursday is Thanksgiving and I'm going to North Carolina, so I don't want to have like I don't want to just get a bunch of stuff and then just go back. I'm gonna be down there for the weekend, so yeah. So I see this orange strawberry banana juice and I want to try it because it looks like it might be good. So we're gonna try this out. They got Christmas stuff out already, like Christmas trees. More Christmas stuff. Oh, these is cute. I should get this for my desk at work and decorate for Christmas. That's cute. They got stockings. They even have clothes in here. More clothes. These leggings are kind of cute. I might have to get these. I'm gonna get these and see how they work out. So they have these leggings with the print, and then they just have the regular faux leggings. So I'm gonna try them out. They look kind of comfortable, and they only $9.99. So I'm in Walmart and they have these cute little bags. Like, that's really cute. And they also have these bags that look like the bag I showed earlier. That look like the Chanel 19 and then the Steve Madden bag that I showed you for like $22. And I have them in pink, a caramel color, a tan color, and black. And then they have like these little fur bags, which are really cute as well. They have these bags with nothing on them, and they are really cute. So I'm looking for a Christmas sweater for Christmas time, and I see this one or this one. And then they also have this one, but I feel like that one's very old fashioned. And then they have this one that says Merry and Bright. So I'm trying to decide which one I should get. Like, this Walmart is so much better than the Walmart where I live at. They have some really cute stuff, and it's not like dirty and crams. Like, this is like, let me show you this. This oversized jacket is really cute. And then this moto style jacket is really cute. Like, that's really cute. I like these leather pants. Like, those are really cute. And they are $29.50. These faux leather pants. I like these in this color. And they also have them in black, which is cute. So, I see you, Walmart. So I am home from running a little bit of errands earlier. I'm about to start cooking. I'm going to be making turkey wings with gravy, rice, mac and cheese, and string beans. So right now I am cleaning my turkey wings and I'm about to season them. Let's see what I'm going to use. Seasonings I'm going to be using for my turkey wings is onion powder, paprika, pepper, Sazon, which is a garlic and onion mixed together, I believe, and seasoned salt. I was gonna put some slap your mama, mammy, whatever you want to say. I was gonna use some of that, but I forgot I don't have any. Going to be chopping up my peppers to put in there, and then I'm going to be adding my vegetable broth to make like the gravy, along with gravy packets to kind of thicken it up. So that's what I'm about to start doing now to get that started. So first I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 375. Now I'm about to start cutting up my cheese for my baked mac and cheese. So I don't like, people cook the way they want to cook, you know. So if I say I use this, I use this. If you say you use that, you use that. Like, it's cooking. You can do however you want to do. But I put Kobe Jack cheese in mine. I use mild cheese, and I use sharp cheese, and I am going to be using evaporated milk. What else? I'm also going to be using sour cream and some cream cheese, and then season to taste how you like it. Add just a splash of heavy whipping cream just to maybe thicken it up. I haven't tried that before, so we're going to experiment with that. So let me start cutting up the cheese and getting that ready so I can go ahead and start baking it. So now I'm about to start making the gravy to put on the turkey wings, and go ahead and add the peppers and the onions to get that started so it can be perfect. So let's get started. So now I'm going to take the mac and cheese out because it is ready. Ready. that looks so good. I like mine kind of crunchy on top, so this is perfect for me. So I just took the turkey wings out of the oven, so let's check them. Ooh, they smell really, really good. Oh yeah, they look real good. So this is the finished plating of the food. It's not in a plate, but I told my friend that I would bring her some today, so I gave her some extra mac and cheese, so you know she might want to eat that throughout the week. But yeah, gave her some rice, the turkey wings, and some string beans. So that's cooking with me. So I am back from my friend's house, giving her the food. So I made me like a little plate. Let me show you guys. So I just made me a little plate of the food and I'm gonna try it.
I'm gonna get some mac and cheese first. That's really good.
Everything's really good, but you know I'm a chef. But I'm just going to watch TV and get ready to end out my night. It is 9:07 and I gotta go to work tomorrow, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I will catch you in the next vlog.